We're actually looking at a paper 1, mathematics paper 1 from November 2024, Jesus Christ, NSC, right? So the question that few students were looking at was this one. So I was very interested to say, this is one of those questions where you get 3 marks. Literally, this is a 3 mark question, right? So here's how you solve it and here's how you deal with it. I'm gonna show you guys just now. So when I just write it very fast, I'm gonna do it here very fast so you can see. Is 2 to the power 2, right? X, right? Minus 2. Remember, guys, these are the questions that you can get so that you can get your percentage. Before you can even go further, this is an easy question that you get your marks and you pass. Now, the most important thing that students forget is the like what do you call this? The multiples of 32 or the powers that end up giving you 32, right? So on my calculator, I get 32 is equal to 2 to the power 5. It's very important to know this because that's the reason why you want to solve this whole situation here. So now what do? You say 2x minus 2x plus 2. Now, because we found out that the exponent of, well, the powers of 2 to 5 gives us 32. Therefore, you write it like that. You say 2 to the power 5 is equal to 0. Now, I advise to say, when you get to this point, you must now know. You must know your laws. Remember that when the bases are the same on the left and the right, you can drop your exponents. So here's what we're going to do first. We're going to say 2x minus 2x plus 2. We're going to take this 2 to the power 5 to the other side, to this side. Therefore, you have 2 to the power 5. It's positive. Then now, because the bases are the same, if you look at it, you have a 2 here, you have a 2 here, you have a 2 here. Therefore, you can drop your exponents now. You can drop your exponents. So easy and so simple. Then how do you do it? You come back and say, okay, 2x. Remember the sign. Don't forget the sign. Remember to include the sign. Minus x plus 2 is equal to 5. From here, then it's a basic solution. So 2 minus x, what are you left with? You're left with x plus what? Plus 2 is equal to 5, right? And then x, therefore you take the 2 to the other side, you're left with 5 minus 2. The answer then gives you 3, right? Now, when you get to this point, to make sure that you got the right answer, here's what you do. To make sure that you got the right answer, you substitute the 3 here. This is not only for matriculants, because you can see this paper is actually meant for matriculants. See, it's a grade 12 paper. But then this question is one of those questions they taught you in grade 10. So here's what you do. You substitute. You say 2, replace 3, right? And then we get to this point, say 2 was 3 plus 2 minus 32. If it doesn't give you 0, then it's wrong, right? If it doesn't give you 0, then it's wrong. Then you get to this point, obviously you have your 6 over there, you have the 2 to the power 6 minus 2.